Still on the derivation of what the laws of logarithm, part 6, and of course this has to do with the derivation of the sixth law of logarithm. The sixth law of logarithm states that the logarithm of what a number which a is used to depict in this case to what a particular base, are you there, which is equal to the magnitude of what the number, that is the log of what a to base what a must be equals to what 1, must diminish or reduce to what 1. Interpreting this or expressing this mathematically, the law says that the log of what a, are you there, to base what a, take note, a must not be equals to what 1. So the log of what a to base a, whose magnitude is equals to the number, must be equals to what 1. The log of what a to base a is equals to what 1. Again, our task in this particular video is to see to the derivation of what this particular law, and I think this should be the simplex of all of the derivations of what the laws of what logarithm. Now let's go to prove that what log a to base what a is equals to what 1. Are you there? Let us represent what log a to base log what a to base what a with what x. Yes, of course. So therefore s is equals to what log what a to base what a. Now don't forget, I've been able to establish a particular law. I think the fourth law of logarithm. The fourth law of logarithm states that what the log of what a to base what b is as good as what the log of what a to a new base divided by what the log of what b to what the what new what base. If that is true, employing this to this particular what derivation, log a to base a can be reinterpreted as what follows. So we have what s is equals to what log a to base what a becomes what the log of what a to base what m divided by what the log of what a again to base what m, and that is equals to this. We strike this, what is left is 1. Therefore, what is x standing for? X now is equals to what 1, and we all know that s is equals to what the log of what a to base a. Therefore implies that what the log of what a in the place of x to base a is equals to 1. Indeed, the log of what a number, say a, to a base, say what a, so long as what the magnitude and the base, the magnitude of the base and that of the number, they are the same, it will reduce to what 1. Log what a to base a is equals to 1. You can validate this from your calculator by pressing log what 10 in your calculator that has already been programmed in the decimal base, otherwise known as what the base what 10 is going to produce what 1. Indeed, the law that says the log of what a to base what a is equals to 1 is what real and what correct. Love you. Please do not hesitate to what to like, to share, to comment, and of course follow me for what the derivation of the laws of what logarithm, part 7, and that has to do with the derivation of the 7th law of what logarithm. God bless.